Layering it is the most important part of Photoshop. It's necessary to understand how to working on layers. First way of creating layers. Firstly, select option left upper side panel, click on new and then select layer again. It is by any name. Now second way, easy way to create new layer is down right side of the panel icon of plus or add. By clicking on it creates layers like this. You can hide or delete layers just by clicking layer which you want to hide or remove it by this way. Now we go to file and bring any picture to create layer or work on it. Now after taking pictures, add layers on it and select brush tool. Make sure layer should be selected while we work with brush tool. Now just hide layer on which you work. Something noticed by you that brush work only on layer 1 and we can easily remove it. If some parts of mistakenly added in editing by this technique, you can remove it. Hope you understand how to create, hide and delete layers. Now how we work on layers, how it's work while editing, we can learn. Firstly, we create a shape and text. You can see text hide backside of shape. Now we take the layer of text, drag upon the shape. Now you can how it work and creating three layers. And by same steps we can take text upon the shapes. So it work layer by layer and how hides these layers. So thank you for watching this video. We meet you in the fifth part of Photoshop tutorial with another tools of Photoshop. Thank you.